This one is. Let's go in school. Logo. Compost blocks. Here you can see. There's the daisy. And that one. It's a apartment complex. It's full of these Goodmans. Next to the deck. And more. This is how tippy fungus sounded. There's a couple of schools too. This is secret groceries. She's money too. Ice logo. Or you can press it. There's been up before. You can see her on this one. That big one over there's money.
Live there?
I know this. That sounds good. This thing sounds weird. There's gonna come and sound like that before. Oh, there's nothing over here. Oh, that sounds nice. Nice. Really now. It looks down like me. Oh, I have no idea what that's on top of that one. Another one here. Watery. Forest disconnect. Here's an evil one. And we're not going to get down too many of them because there's just so many of them. That one over there is not so good. That one right there sounds nice. Scream of Goodmans over here. There's a lot of Goodmans. Oh, that skate box is open. Weird. Thunder, small one. Oh, there's a carrot statue over there. Okay, have to go carry that. we have more Goodmans right here. This is business logo. What piece we got there? There's another one. Cover with it. Another one. There's another Goodman right there. We got more. Like two right here. That was brand new. I had to go inside. Look at this one. Oh, it has a really compressor. Yeah, right down. Look at this. Yeah. So far, I've almost because of the GMC. We're back. So one Goodmans I found. This little one you don't know. It's got plastic on the wall. Goodmans. Oh, there's new car over there.
Something here.
This is pretty hard cut that motor. Look at that plastic is on the logo. Plastic is still in there. 2.2. And I have to put plastic off and put it on.
So my experience though is maybe not how he would conduct the process.
There's still. And here's the new carrier. Sent me series of bodies and motor. It's pretty cool. It's got 2 weights. This is a 2024. Probably placed some Goodmans. We got a bunch more Goodmans over here.
Being able to easily navigate.
Yeah, and after I take a look at some of them because they're all the same.
Be able to transform into great phrases and comments.
And also we should find some Concords. Last time I heard we saw some Concords in it.
It's possible that the entire park is
Some more Goodmans right here. I'll take a look at this one. King! Over here. Oh my god, wait, look at this guard. Oh, there's no new care over there, that fence. Yeah. Oh, sweet, my first janitor will have one janitor yet. So it's a janitor over there, let's go see. I'll be back here so I won't throw on your flowers. Look at this one. This one's different. This is a giant type thing size. Has to come sit with up in it. That is this bike of me. This way. We got smashed up. And that one.
add-ons than skipping period.
More Goodmans over there.
I think
Nothing
multi-threading
from those cuts. Those are someone's cooperating. My video's already 10 minutes. Oh, 2 more Goodmans here. There's the if you there's one over here. Very good look. It is 2007. Or maybe not. Is that actually one? Serial number. Wait, it's 2007. I can't really tell. Serial number. It says over here. I'm gonna go over here now. I want to find a Concord.
You ready?
I know where the Concord is already back in there. It's at the complex.
Are you feeling a little bit hot? Do you need to take off your sweatshirt?
No. Oh, I'm just giving me some money. That one is. Oh, it's a bubble. There's some on the side. King! King! GMC. And there's people here, so I'm not going to come to me. Let's go over here and find the Concord, right? Oh, we want to see a Concord. More arenas in that fence. 2 Goodmans. Right there. I have no idea where the Concord unit was, but over there's just more Goodmans. Not any energy for you. Just want to stop by me find something different now. This compost is just full of these because they're all 100% done. Yeah. It's a whole bunch of Goodmans and Jesus 14s. You'll go here. I think the Concords were just the corner back there. So I want to look at the Concords right now. Yeah, last time we went here, we saw 2 Concords. Last time I wasn't filming. This is my first time filming this in heaven. The right to be right to work to do this here. I like this 4 Goodmans. Oh, that's the one. I see a white Goodman over there. Oh, there's another one here. Oh, I see this one. It's not so dirty. Cool, come right here. That one's 1649. That one's 1647. Oh, there's like a note of cut us down. It's pretty broken. Kind of smashed up. Goodman. Oh, that's the interesting thing. Yeah, let's put the boys' fingers in there. See. Maybe a compressor. Another one. Where's the logo on it? Here's this white one, or maybe it's tan. Three more here. Not gonna film those. Over here. Yeah, it's not that hot today, so not many Goodmans are running. But I'm trying to come back here in the summer, so many Goodmans running. Yeah. I'll just want to focus for that for sure. We got another one over in school, another tiny one. There's station right there. There's a town one. And this one. We definitely won't go and see it. Oh no, there's a bug right here. Bee bug. Bees right there. Anyway, flowers. Oh, see ya. Fat cat going over there. I think this building had monster concourse that we saw last time in the review. Just more Goodmans. Oh, actually. Never mind, I don't know what it is. Oh, well. Oh, I hear something running. Oh, I'm just going to be running. Oh, it sounded like a horse compressor. Sounds nice. Next, this one is. Yep, I think there's a Concord over here in this corner. I remember this before there was a Concord and it just got my first ever. So when a Concord. Yep, there it is. There's one. And it's running. Sweet. It's much cool going to South Carolina. It's 2019. Oh, yeah. There's 2 minutes over there. That was the one that was not a rain monster. More rain monster. Not fish, that's no protein rain. The more Goodmans here. What is it, GMC? Oh, GMC, they're pushing heating levels. It's running. Oh, they're both running. Sweet. Yeah, that is. Or maybe I hope these Goodmans mind. I just been hours going to film them later. Yeah. There are these ones. The sun again. And they're not running. My video's already 19 minutes. This is going to be a long video. This complex is enormous. Wow. Such a complex, the video's going to be so long. More Goodmans right here. 2 older ones. I done got rusty on the fan motor. Almost done for me. More Goodmans here. I'll probably put a logo so you do a one. That's my stuff. We're going back to the car now, so I'll just be done filming soon before we go back to the car. Well, Goodmans. I love Goodmans. I love Goodmans. Goodmans is a very popular conditioner. Now I also love these tiny ones. Oh, there's another 2028 Goodman. I'll just show you that one's fun. That one has the first sticker box. I have one pair of money actually, yep. Green. Oh yeah, that's it.